Design VC2 rosewood with a beautiful rosewood details, green and antique copper. This tile handmade, both them already stay with overlapping edges. They could be glue or they could be put on a grid as is. Tile beautiful, and you could see exactly rosewood details, and it's an antique and it's a copper. Rosewood, antique copper, VC2 with overlapping edges. Now you could see this tile three-dimensional. It stays 1 inch up. That's how this tile, if you turn this tile down, face down, that's how 1 inch go up. You could see exactly. Again, I separate one tile down and you could see it. This tile, if you turn upside down, exactly detail, 1 inch up, three-dimensional tile. And this tile the same, but face up, face down, face down, face up. So it could be, if you glue on a ceiling this down tile 1 inch, it could be glue with overlapping exactly the same way how you see it. It's going to be 1 inch there. So you could put this tile next to each other. You could see it's a three-dimensional, 1 inch up, and when you put down, it means you put this tile with the overlapping edges. Top of the ceiling, which is this top, small square. This top exactly go on the ceiling, glue on the ceiling, and this top. But these two hanging pieces down, sides to sides, you could glue them with the overlapping as is, this way, and it's going to be okay. A lot of customers do that and it looks stay nice and neat. That's how it's face down, and that's how it's face up. Now you see back of the tile, which is this back could be glue, big square here. It could glue on the ceiling, and edges go down 1 inch, and they could be glue with overlapping exactly as is. They gluable. And now you see ceiling tile when I put face up, and they already overlapped each other, have no problem. It means they gluable. The low part, which is go inside, antique copper, could be glued to the ceiling, and high part, top part, could be glued with overlapping edges to each other. It looks nice and neat and no problem at all. That's VC2 rosewood antique copper, beautiful tiles.